Akoriok district alona ka piprit nepe kamudat kesde ngara kerio ngetelo ka acted mor kikina Keda food for the hungry aijene ipone loda akori Inyamata kech serike unite nyadulo kalia kech acha tomana choas ne keza imora rosa iboka panyam otomana misirin tetere mama kipi nuda Jesu noso kujumorum itekerarete alupoko kecha wae.
Before we start digging, we need first to move around the area. We see the percentage of the slopeness of the area. After walking, after touring everywhere, now we come with the method of spirit level. We use a spirit level since we work in a large scale. We use a spirit level with the 2 poles to help us in taking the levels. Always in that string, we measure 10 meters. That helps us to rotate. And every time you can see if you move from this as well. I remember this is 200 meters. From this point up to down there. Yes. And come with your panga. You put it down like this. You dig this side, you dig this side. As you continue with the 2 feet. The 60 meters, and then you dig the depth should also be 2 feet deep. And then when it reaches time for shaping, you shape 1 feet from both sides to help the water move smoothly in the soil.
Akoriok keza bakasebe engarakisi kesa chuasne nunoi narai kwana epidotos kesa idara kesa lupoke joko nepeka Akori Inyamata lwedolito.
We could have lost much of the topsoil if it wasn't controlled by the contours. And the time people spent was a bit very hard, but since the benefit, they were waiting for this benefit and it has reached the time that they have seen the benefit. You cannot compare now a garden with contours with a garden without contours.
Before the contour knowledge got to him, we used to work in the losses. We dig, we plant, when rains come, water goes off with our crops. We remain just as we were. But when the knowledge of contour, digging contours and water conservation got to him, we have really had knowledge of blessings.
I got the knowledge of managing malnutrition, malnourished children, and then also the knowledge of spacing the crops in the garden. As I'm also one of the beneficiaries who dug the soils. So from there, before that, I could not be able to do all this because I didn't have what? Knowledge.
And just because of coordination and good cordial working relationship with the extension staff, Food for the Hungry and Acted, we have been able to achieve what you are seeing here.
Ide ngare nokeza poti turote project ilo obakas da bone bem ebuni kwa na itigogong ito ni programs ngunu luda pugan kwa penat PDM.
As much as the project has ended, the capacity building it has given to our people, especially women, will go a long way to empower the households.
Because this project seemed to be too short for us, and as people are learning, I am here to plead for my people that you need to help us so that what they have learned now will be sustained by them if they continue with these members.
The results, it would be a pity if it were stopped and could not make further progress. And in that regard, I think what we are going to do is to look when, possibly next year.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East na Kapiripiri.